Okay, there you go. So yeah, it's pretty wild. There's barely any snow in the city anyhow. I think we're supposed to get some tonight. I'm curious to see how much snow is actually out by Erie. They tend to get a little more snow than over here anyhow, but we shall see. Now this is the finger. It's still pretty messed up. I can't really bend it past 90, but pushing up doesn't hurt. It's more just, it doesn't want to move. So fingers crossed, if I could cross my fingers, that I'll be able to surf today. So decent drive, pandemic driving, not a whole lot of traffic going on here. And parking lot's pretty much full. It's a small lot here, but yeah, it looks nice. We might even get a little sunset action. And Brian did message and said there was some waves. So let's go see the beach. All right, definitely windy. Definitely more snow. Although there is usually a lot more than this. It's a bad day to forget gloves. Oh, and the camera is getting blown over, so I'm gonna go get suited up, give it a try. It looks bad, whatever. Whoa, it's getting cold. And the dislocated finger blood flow is not functioning that well. It gets way colder, way faster. But I think I'm gonna give it a try anyway, even though it didn't look that compelling. But after talking to a couple of the guys, they said they had some fun ones. And you know, when you're in there, it's always more fun than watching from the beach. So I'll give it hopefully an hour, and maybe I can catch a couple clips at the end of the day, but might as well give it a try. Feeling very stylish, pretty warm. You know, 1 degree is pretty damn warm for January. This is the boat of the day, my Dan Bridge, Mini Simmons. Alright, so that was pretty good. It was better than expected as usual. It was definitely way bigger in the bay though, not on the main beach that I was filming earlier. You can see this shot here, the size of it much better. So next time I'll have to be not lazy and bring a GoPro and actually shoot it proper. But yeah, worthwhile getting out. My mashed up finger is still there. Feels relatively normal, I suppose. So hopefully I'll be getting some more winter surfing in before it completely ices over. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bless up. Have a great one.